Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sandra. Welcome to my channel. And before I forget, guys, thanks for 500 subscribers. Thanks so much. Flowers, blessings, everything. Thank you so much for supporting me, for getting me where I am right now. And for the first time viewers, you're most welcome. I hope you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and don't miss out on anything. So guys, apparently I realized that so many people out there are battling with cough, flu, and chest pain. So that is why I made this video. So I will just talk about just a few home remedies for cough, flu, and chest pain. Yeah, that you and I can use just in case. Nowadays cough, flu, and chest pain don't sound like they used to sound decades ago. So it's really a different battle. So they could be signs of COVID-19 or something, but you cannot confirm without testing. So let's look at a few home remedies that we can use to curb cough, flu, and chest pain. I mean, there are times that it becomes really intense. Like deep inside you feel it's not the normal flu, it's not the normal cough or a chest pain. I mean, as for the chest pain, goodness, you will just literally feel something is heavy on you, like, oh my god, it's too much. So let's look at that briefly. So let's go through the ingredients real quick. We will use half a lemon. Yeah, I think that will be enough. We will also use kiwi fruits. We also have ginger powder. We'll also use honey. Honey is really good, actually. This is the main ingredient. We also have black pepper powder. We also have turmeric powder. And then lastly, garlic powder. Yeah, we'll use those to make our solution, not forgetting our small spoon. Also call it tablespoon. I don't know whether it's the tablespoon. And then we'll use a moderate size cup. Yeah, I'm gonna go through just a few. I don't know, it's not that necessary, but I'll just tell you the quantities that are enough for this cup. Of course, we can't just do too much, we can just do enough. So let's mix up and see how we can come up with a solution. Let's mix this up real quick. Let's use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Yeah, that's 2. And then our turmeric, just half a teaspoon is enough, not too much. And then we can use 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. You can use 1 or 2 are enough. I just used 1. And then half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. And then squeeze our lemon, just a little juice. Yeah, that's enough. And then boil water, clean water, and then add it to that solution to make our final. And you can drink the solution like 2 times every day. 2 to 3 is okay until you heal, until you feel better. And then for the kiwi fruit, you can just eat the fruit peel and eat every day. It's really good for immunity too. Yeah, so that's it. You can do that until you heal. If you can't find the powdered form of the product, you can as well get the whole, like, yeah, for example, the ginger, you can use whole ginger, and all the other products if you have any other substitutes.